Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will be sharing how I put this 3D double self-closing gift bag together. I started off by pulling out the two different gift boxes that you have to choose from. You can see the upper part is the one that will be different. So you can use them, or you can have them for different occasions. You will also see that you will have different layers for the both of these. I decided to go ahead with flower pattern paper because I just love it, and two different colors of cardstock for the base of this. So I decided to first look at this and decided, wait a minute, I want to change this out because I really want my flowers to be on a piece of silver mirror cardstock, so you can see how cute that turned out. I love the blue and purple together with that silver. It really is nice. So I have these pieces and I'm attaching them, and then I can go ahead and start building all of these. And you can see I actually creased the sides just to make it a little bit easier to see where everything was going. And for this one I don't have the silver matte, but it's gorgeous anyway, and you will see plenty of that silver on the front and the back of these boxes. Super cute. I love that these prints are quite small, so you really can see a lot of it. So for the other one I just took another one of my favorite Maggie Home papers, and I just used them the same way. I didn't layer them on the matte of sort of gold or silver. I just kept them, this one a little bit more simple. Since this pattern is a little bit more busy, I think it turned out nice. So it was quite easy to layer this first. I think you can do it the opposite, that you are building your box and then layering it, but I found that this was, I think, the easiest way. So for this one I didn't crease all the lines. You can see they are quite flat, so I will go ahead and do that now and just crease every line where the score line is. You can use a bone folder. I'm just using my fingers. I think it was easy enough. And here you can see how these will fit together. So I'm just putting some adhesive. I will do it actually in another way for the next one. I think both of these ways turned out nicely. Then I took some glue and then just attached them together. You can see I'm just fiddling around. It's like a puzzle that you puzzle together. It really came together nicely, and it wasn't too much of a struggle to put them together. So I'm doing the same thing for this one. Use some glue, but you can see now I'm putting the sides together before I'm putting the bottom together. You can see here I just needed to hold that for 1 second longer. It actually opened up when I did it the first time, so I just let all the sides rest before I put the adhesive in the bottom. But you can see how it opens and closes. So for this one I took some adhesive, just pressed that down. I did the same thing for the other side. And then I'm just pressing it, opening it up, and then just using something for pressing it to the inside. There we go, we have our sides and the box completely shut. So then we can start working on our decoration, and I stopped my recording and cut out a bunch of pieces off camera. I cut out this sentiment from the Cowboy Words set. So we have G and wild. It was the shortest words I think in this set, and I just wanted something small to fit on our top of our small bags here. And we have the second one here. I just took some liquid glue, and then I'm just pressing it with my tool here to make them go out. And you can see I didn't do it perfectly, but you can always go back and then go back again, and you will have them sort of okay spaced out. You can see the cowboy hat here. I cut it out of the same pattern paper as I used for the box, so everything will tie in nicely together. I also used silver for my hat, and you could have used one more pattern paper here and just silver for the ribbon there, but I went for silver all the way. And the same thing here. This is from the Sheriff Star Shaker set. I just created with silver around with the same pattern paper. The flower is from the Desert Rose flower set. I will have another video where I share how I created that flower, so stay tuned for that one. And I had a vellum leaves, and that comes from my personal favorite die set from Scrap Diva, and that is the flower die set. I have used it a ton since I got it. And of course I needed some dimension. And that flower is something I created in a previous video. I just had it left. So you can go back and watch that if you like. I believe it was from last month's release. And I just have these clip-ons that I am using. And you can see that I'm just pressing it down with some adhesive. And we will have those. Even though it's self-closing, I think these really created some nice dimension on top of it. And you can see how it opens up. And then you can have your pin here on the top and your little cowboy hat. I think that is so cute. We have our Sheriff Star here, and this will also open up. I had a little bit more trouble with this one, but it is opening up really well, and you can put some candy or something fun for Easter inside of them. So there we go, we have our 2 finished projects. I hope you enjoyed this video and got inspired to create something. I will be back soon with another video. And don't forget to use my coupon code if you like 10% off your next order. Until next time, have a great day. Bye!